Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can copy and paste a graphic style from like a graphic to another graphic style so I can make them look similar in that sense. Basically, I'm just going to grab this image and I want this to have the same graphic style as this one, for instance. So I'm just going to select copy style, then select a graphic to apply. I'm going to select this one. And as you can see, there's like a loading kind of area here, and I'm just going to wait for it to load. It does take a few seconds up to minutes for it to load, so I'm just going to stay here and wait. You can also do it like the other way around. Obviously, you can copy and paste, for instance, this style to here, and you will see after it's going to transform into kind of like a watercolor style, like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.